to. Nagbo-vlog ako. Nakuha na niya, guys. Ako nasa kitchen. Tsaka, enjoy. Bye-bye. Photo booth tayo. Let's go! Ano, 110 na pala. Photo booth. Successful na. So, pinili tayo ng cute. Guys, nakuha ko yung bonus na 276 tickets. Ayun. Let's go! First time ko, second try ko lang, tapos naka-bonus agad ako. Like, tayo.
Now, let's open your case.
Yes! Nasa Starbucks ako right now to study for finals. I'm currently here at Mono's and I'm about to have lunch. Bala ko mag-stay here after ko kumain. There's salad with chicken breasts. Look at that. So good. Guys, I got the Hello Kitty Aqua Plus collection. Bagong release lang yata siya. And nakakuha ko pa yung second to the last piece. So, ito siya. Tcharam! Balik ako time zone kasi inaantok na ako, guys. So, pampagising yung time zone. Guys, feel ko pa yung pato ng bola sa time zone. Tapos biglang tawag yung tita ko, nagpapabook mo sa akin ng Grab. So, nagpapabook muna ako ng Grab for her and then magti-dinner kami.